Today in this video, we are going to speak about multiplication and properties of multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Repeated again and again. Repeated means again and again. So let us learn with the help of few examples. Now I have 6 balls. I would like to arrange in groups. See how do I arrange? I am going to make 3 groups having 2 balls in each. So I have 2, 2 and 2. 2 is repeated 3 times. So I can write it as 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now let me write in terms of multiplication. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. There are 3 groups, 2 in each. So I can write it as 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now let me try with one more example. I have 10 ice creams. I would like to make 2 groups. Let me place 5 in each group. So I can write it as 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So it is repeated addition. Now let me see multiplication. How can I write in multiplication? So there are 2 groups. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So this is nothing but multiplication as repeated addition. Now we will see what are the properties of multiplication. First we have multiplication by 0. So if any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Let me try with one example. I have 4 flower pots having 0. So totally how many flowers are there? 0, because 4 multiplied by 0 is nothing but 0. Let me take second property. Multiplication by 1. If I multiply any number by 1, my answer will be the number itself. Example, I have 5 flower pots having 1 in each. So, how many flowers are there altogether? Exactly, I have 5. Because 5 multiplied by 1 stands for 5, the number itself. Here comes the third property. Commutative property, or we can say order property. Example, I have 4 flower pots and I have placed 6 in it. So totally how many are there? 24. Now let me change. Now I have 6 flower pots and I have placed 4 in it. So totally how many are there? 24. My answer is same because this is nothing but order property where though the order is changed with the same numbers, my product will be same. It doesn't change because the same numbers are multiplied by changing the order. So this is nothing but order property. So today in this video we have learned what is multiplication and the properties of multiplication. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all.